Hi, my name is Sam and today I will be walking you around this amazing Jaguar F-Pace SVR finished in the striking ultra blue metallic paint. This F-Pace features a 5-litre V8 which makes for some impressive performance with a massive 542 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 is an astonishing 4.1 seconds and blistering speeds up to 176 miles per hour. Starting with the front, you have that aggressive looking SVR front bumper, the dramatic gloss black grille with the satin grey surround, lower gloss side intakes and the satin grey lower trim. The adaptive LED headlights with signature daytime running follows. These not only look the part but also help in a range of different driving conditions. Next, you are presented with the fantastic 21-inch diamond turned alloy wheels, complete with the contrasting red brake calipers, and in my opinion look really good on this vehicle. Moving on, you can see the SVR satin grey side vents, which are executed brilliantly, as are the satin grey bonnet louvers, which add to the dramatic look of this vehicle. Auto dimming power fold heated door mirrors follow, along with the rear privacy glass, gloss black window surrounds and matching roof rails, complete with a sliding panoramic sunroof. Another look now at those fabulous alloy wheels, complete with a satin grey wheel arch trim. Stepping away for a second reveals just how gorgeous this F-Pace SVR is, especially in that ultra blue metallic paint. A real head turner indeed. Focusing on the rear now, and this gorgeous Jaguar F-Pace SVR features the integrated spoiler, which looks absolutely stunning. Privacy glass continues, flowing on nicely to those amazing rear tail lamps and important SVR and F-Pace badging, letting everyone know what just passed them on the road. The gorgeous rear arch vents follow, along with the quad exhausts and aggressive SVR rear bumper, finishing the matching satin grey. This vehicle features an electronic tailgate, which means with one click of a button the tailgate will automatically open, like so, revealing that huge 650 litre boot space, which is enough to comfortably fit 2 large suitcases and some carry-ons. The boot comes complete with a privacy boot cover, as shown here, and can be closed with the touch of a button located in the bottom of the boot lid, allowing it to close automatically, which I personally think is a really nice and convenient feature. Jumping inside, and you are presented with a stunning leather interior, complete with SVR metal tread plates on entry, a multifunctional leather steering wheel with a neatly designed centre console. A Meridian sound system is laid throughout, along with the amazing SVR branded performance seats, which are heated and come with electric adjustment functions. The 10-inch touchscreen display provides access to a range of functions such as navigation, allowing you to find and input all relevant travel information quickly and easily. Media provides access to a vast amount of radio stations, meaning that you will never miss a beat. The phone option allows you to pair your mobile via Bluetooth, ideal for those hands-free calls. Seat temperatures can also be selected with a clean and responsive layout, allowing you to find the perfect temperatures. The My Dynamic setup allows you to tailor your driving style. This is selected by choosing the dynamic mode. Furthermore, rear reversing cameras can also be viewed via this display, allowing you to get in and out of those tight spaces. Climate control settings can be found lower down, allowing for both you and your passenger to find the perfect temperature. A leather trim gear selector follows, along with additional driving modes. 2 cup holders can be found as well as additional storage and 12V power socket in the armrest. Another really nice feature is a sliding panoramic sunroof, which with one click of a button will retract the headlining, enhancing the cabin feel. And with the click of another button, the sunroof can also be opened, as demonstrated here. Again, another really nice and convenient feature. The rear interior is just as nice as the front, complete with the matching ebony and light oyster leather, SVR embossing located in the headrests, and important integrated ISOFIX points. Rear storage netting follows, along with dual air vents and power outlets. A rear retractable armrest can also be deployed, providing room for 2 cups. I shall stop talking now so that you can listen to this. A truly amazing sound indeed. If this gorgeous Jaguar F-Pace 5-litre V8 Supercharged SVR is something that you are interested in or would like further information about, please do not hesitate to get in touch with a member of our sales team on 01270 445 200 and they will be more than happy to help. Thank you.